everybody. My name is Andrew Cosman, physiotherapist with ADM Ottawa Physiotherapy, and today I'm going to answer the question about what physiotherapy is and who should see a physiotherapist. Physiotherapists are experts in the science of movement, and we're trained to diagnose and pinpoint where a person's injury may be developing. Uh, so we're experts in the musculoskeletal system, and as the name suggests, the muscles and the skeletal system, the bones and the muscles of the body, but and everything in between. So things like the ligaments or the nerves are structures that we deal with as well, and have become skilled in assessing where people's pains are developing from. From what I've seen in my experience, a lot of people are most familiar with the muscles of the body, so are quick to suggest that their injury is from a muscle, but that may not always be the case, as there are many structures that can be the source of pain. So that is the most common reason why people would come and see a physiotherapist is if they're in pain, and that pain starts to limit their function. Even if it's not limiting the function, it's never a pleasant experience to experience the pain. So people will try to manage that. But even more so if it's preventing from working or doing a hobby or a leisurely activity, or playing with grandkids for that matter. Uh, Physiotherapy is usually seen as the go-to method of rehabilitating these problems. So physiotherapy is seen to either improve a person's physical function, maintain their physical function, or restore their physical function. So improving somebody might be at a particular baseline, and if they want to see what they can do to improve and get beyond where they are right now from a physical standpoint, these people don't necessarily have to have pain, but are simply seeking to perform better. Physiotherapy can help with that. There is another category of people where their particular condition is degenerative in nature, so it's constantly over time will be worsening. So physiotherapy then has a role of trying to maintain their particular status as is. The other reason why someone might see a physiotherapist, and most commonly perhaps, is to restore physical function where they have a particular level they're used to operating at, and a particular injury or accident might have knocked them down a few notches and limited their function. So we try to restore and bring them back to where they were before that injury or accident. People often ask when it is better to start with seeing a physiotherapist versus start seeing their doctor. And the truth of the situation is that doctors will often be able to refer you to physio if you need. And then physiotherapists can also refer you back to your doctor if they see that the presentation is not something that they can help with. So you should feel comfortable going to either for your musculoskeletal needs. And most insurance companies are starting to reverse the previous expectation of having a referral from the doctor before seeing your physiotherapist. So you are able to have direct access to physiotherapists without the referral, although it is always wise to check with your particular insurance company if that is the case. So if you have any questions on the subject of what physiotherapy is and what we treat or who can benefit from it, please feel free to reach out and call 613-820-8765. Thank you so much.